been using expensive creams for dark spots and nothing is working? What if I tell you that something in your kitchen right now, yes, honey, can help fade dark spots naturally and safely? In today's video, I will show you why honey works for hyperpigmentation, the correct way to use it, what to mix it with for faster results, and mistakes that are making your dark spots worse. If you struggle with acne marks, sunspots, or uneven skin tone, keep watching. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Santi and I help you glow naturally without bleaching your skin. If you love skincare that actually works, subscribe right now and turn on your notification bell. Let's go. I have some videos in this channel that I talk about dark spots and how to erase dark spots. You can check the videos on this channel. I talk about dark spots, how to erase dark spots using different products. So today we are focusing on honey. Honey is very important. Honey can erase your dark spots instantly and faster. So let's delve into how we are going to use honey to erase our dark spots. Now, why honey works for dark spots? Most people think honey is just for tea. Yes, they don't know that they can use honey for skincare to erase dark spots. Honey is not only for tea, but raw honey is powerful for your skin. Here is why. It has natural antibacterial properties. Honey helps fight acne-causing bacteria. Less acne, fewer new dark spots. So the antibacterial properties in honey helps to fight acne in your skin, all the acne-causing bacteria in your skin. Then you have little or no acne, and with that you have little or no scars, because acne leads to dark spots. So the antibacterial properties in honey will first of all cure any acne on your face. So if you don't even have acne on your face, you won't even have acne marks or dark spots caused by acne. Honey is a natural humectant. That means it draws moisture into your skin. Hydrated skin heals faster. Yes, so keep your skin hydrated. Drink a lot of water. Make sure you moisturize your face a lot. So honey helps drive in moisture to your skin. It contains antioxidants. Antioxidants helps repair damaged skin and reduce hyperpigmentation. If your skin is damaged from the use of chemical products or any other product, or is damaged as a result of skin disease, irritation, eczema, rashes, honey helps to repair all those damage on your skin, thereby helping to reduce skin hyperpigmentation. Honey gently exfoliates. Honey contains small amounts of natural enzymes that help brighten dull skin over time. But listen carefully, not all honey works the same. You need raw, unprocessed honey. Yes, it's raw honey, not honey that has been processed or a lot of things have been added to it. You need raw, unprocessed honey. Honey that has just been gotten directly from the bee. That's the best honey that you need, and it helps to gently exfoliate our skin. So as I said, you need raw unprocessed honey, not the sugar syrup honey from supermarkets. Yes, most supermarkets, they add sugar to their honey. That one is not good. Make sure you try and find original unprocessed honey, because that's the one that will work to fade dark spots on your face. Now let's look at how to use honey to fade dark spots fast. If you want to see fast results, let's get into it. Now let me show you the correct way to use it. Method 1, pure honey spot treatment, best for beginners. What you need: 1 teaspoon raw honey. Steps: wash your face. Wash your face, make sure your face is clean. Apply honey directly on the dark spots. You can look for the dark spots and apply the honey directly on them. If the dark spots are all over your face, you can just apply the raw unprocessed honey all over your face and leave it on the dark spots for 20 to 30 minutes, after which you rinse with lukewarm water. Then you moisturize your face. Make sure you moisturize your face. Now you can do this as often as 4 to 5 times a week. You will start seeing brightness in 1 to 2 weeks. In fact, in week 1, because I've tried it, in week 1 I've started seeing results. By week 2, all my acne and dark spots are gone. Method number 2, honey plus lemon for oily skin only. So if you have oily skin, instead of applying the honey directly on your face, you can add a little lemon to it. If you have sensitive skin, skip this. Yes, if you have sensitive skin, don't use honey and lemon. So for now, honey and lemon is only for oily skin. Now what you do is you mix 1 teaspoon honey, 3 to 4 drops fresh lemon juice, apply on dark spots. So you mix 1 teaspoon of honey and 3 to 4 drops of fresh lemon juice. Don't put a lot of lemon juice, only 3 to 4 drops. Then apply it on your dark spots. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes only. After which you rinse it off with water. Then you moisturize your face and always use sunscreen the next day, because lemon makes skin sensitive to sunlight. So whenever you are using lemon, you make sure you use sunscreen, because lemon will make your skin to be sensitive. It will cause sunburn on your skin. Method number 3, honey plus turmeric glow mask, best for fast result. If you want a very fast result, use honey plus turmeric glow mask. This one is very powerful. Now what you do is you mix 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of turmeric, apply over your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. This combination helps to fade dark spots, brighten skin, reduce inflammation, improve glow. Yes, so honey plus turmeric is a very fast result. Your skin will glow, your dark spots will go, your skin will become brighter, glowing and beautiful. Mistakes that stop honey from working. There are a lot of people that use honey to erase dark spots, but that dark spots are not going. No matter how you use honey, the dark spots are still there. There are some mistakes that you do while using honey that is making honey not to work on your skin. So if honey is not working for you, you might be doing this using fake honey. That's why I said look for unprocessed natural honey, not the one in the supermarket that sugar and other chemicals have been added to it. So if you use correct honey, you see results. At times you don't see results because you are using a processed or an already contaminated honey. Not being consistent. Yes, some you do it today and they are not doing it the next day. They are doing it after 1 week or after many days. If you are not being consistent, honey will not work for you. Skipping sunscreen is very important. For every skincare routine you do, sunscreen will help everything to be in place. So make sure you don't skip sunscreen if you want to see good result. Using harsh bleaching creams at the same time. Here, some people are using bleaching creams at the same time they are using honey, so it will make the honey not to work. Picking your acne. Yes, if you have acne on your face, small thing you are picking on it, you are touching it, you are breaking it, it will make honey not to work. Allow the honey to work. So all these mistakes will make honey not to work on your face, and you begin to wonder why is it that it's working on other people and it's not working on your skin. Ensure you are not making one of these mistakes. Now listen carefully. No natural remedy works overnight. Consistency is the secret. As I said earlier, be consistency, because consistency will lead to a very great result. How fast will you see results? When using honey, how long should I wait before I will see results? Let's be honest, honey will not erase 5 years of dark marks in 2 days, but small acne marks will take 1 to 2 weeks. Medium hyperpigmentation will take 3 to 4 weeks. Deep dark spots will take 6+ weeks. Patient consistency will equals glowing skin. So make sure you are consistent. Don't stop, don't give up. Make sure you are consistent with this honey routine and you will get to see the results. Important, you must use sunscreen. If you don't use sunscreen, your dark spots will keep coming back. Yes, even if you stay indoors, UV light passes through windows. So please protect your results. Even when you are at home, whether you are at home indoors, wear sunscreen. Going out, wear sunscreen. It will help the honey to work very fast. Have you ever used honey on your face before? Did it work for you? If this video helped you, please like, share with someone struggling with dark spots, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets. I will see you in the next video. Stay glowing. Bye.